All right, let's talk about how to record and play back from different media. We've got the primary thing we have is our CD player here that's going to play CD, Bluetooth, even SD, USB, auxiliary input, all of those. And of course this button right here scrolls between those and you'll see it show up FM, AM, CD, and we'll keep pushing it until we get to the one we want. Oh. All right, and then we push enter, which is this big round button right here. And that's how we do that. And that is on the console, is on channel 15. And of course, we've got channel 15 labeled on here, but channel 15 is labeled CD, and that's how you'll adjust the volume for that. Now, if I want it in a different output, then I'll select that output up here and then adjust it, and then make sure we exit back out. So that's the audio. Now we can also play a CD in the computer down here, and it'll come up and we'll be on the screen when I put in a CD, and we'll be able to play a CD from that if we want to. Just keep in mind that it's going to be the computer channel for the audio. But on a DVD, if we put a DVD in, and I think that's what we're doing right here, getting a DVD to show. All right, so we will pop the drawer out, and there is, okay, that's a DVD. All right, we just got a random DVD here from BBS or something, and we'll very carefully with these delicate drawers pop that on, put it in. And if we don't get any kind of a notification up here of, yeah, we did, okay. So we'll say, all right, we'll just come over here to the DVD player app that we've got installed. Open that up, select DVD drive, there it is. All right, so we can do it that way and then actually drag that over, and you can see now we're on the displays up front as well. We can do it that way. Now a different way of doing it is by working it into Easy Worship. So if we open Easy Worship, we can actually put a clip from the DVD in our presentation. So let's show how to do that real quick. So we'll come down here to Media, and then you see down here is DVD. So we'll click on that, and then, let's see, let's drag this up. And then down here in our tray, you see the plus sign. So we'll click plus, and then we get the DVD clip editor. And you see, this DVD started to run. We can hear it in the little blue circle is going, and then we'll, as soon as that gets done working, it's trying real hard, must be a scratch. There it goes. All right, so there's our DVD. It's going to do the intro and everything there, but what we'll do is after it gets to here, we can select a chapter here, boom, and we can do this. We can mark entire segment, or we can mark in a start position and end position here, but we'll mark the entire segment, which is that whole chapter on the DVD, and OK. We have to title it, so we'll just say VBS. We'll say OK. And there it pops up in our DVD media tray. From there I can drag it into there, into our program, and if I double click on it, it comes up on the displays and in the audio system and everything. We control the volume, of course, with our computer channel here. All right, and then we can we've got our toggles here to stop and go forward and everything, but it's only going to be that clip that we selected out of that DVD. If the DVD's not in there, it won't work. So it's playing directly from the DVD. That's that little, it shows the disc on there. So that's one way of doing that. So a little bit complicated, but to set it up, but in the end, it's really neat because you can play exactly what you mean to play, even portions in the DVD. So, all right. From a thumb drive, we can record audio here from a thumb drive. We'll go up here to where it looks like a little cassette tape. And it says USB because there's something plugged into it. There's a flash drive plugged in. And then we can just hit record and it'll start a new file and recording. When we click stop, then we can, edit it here with the little pencil and name it, anything we want to name it, stuff like that. And it'll be saved to this flash drive, and then we can take the flash drive out, put it on the computer, do whatever we want to do from there. So that's the way to do that. And then to play back a flash drive from the computer, of course, we will just go to we can go to the folders here. Well, we go to the folders. It's working on it, it says. It's probably because that DVD's in there. All right, here we go. And it will show up as a drive in here. You'll see the flash drive, and we can just double click on it, and then the window will come up to view the files, all of that, and whatever is on it. We can actually play it directly from the computer, just like we did the DVD. Or if we go into Easy Worship, I'll give it a minute to come back up, we can actually work it into there as well, no matter what's on the flash drive. So down here in the media bin again, if we go to media, there's videos, images, all of these things. Instead, that's the same place we found the DVD. There's also audio, so we could play audio files or whatever. But let's say it's a video that's on there. We can go to videos and then hit the plus sign, and it'll just take us to this. And then we can just select the USB thumb drive wherever it is, and double click on it, and it will appear in this tray. And then of course we can drag it in, do whatever we want. We can even just double click on it and it'll play automatically on the displays. But so that's the media tray here is where we import everything. You know, songs are there and scripture and themes, presentation, all this stuff. But the media is one that gets used the most because everything that is multimedia, you can click on it and then click the plus and bring something in, import it into the media tray here, and then of course you just drag it into your presentation. And so okay, I hope that helps.